It's your boy Hi-Fi Vega back again, and today we're here to dyno, listen to, and review this little bitty kicker DXA 125.2. So this is a small amp. It's not quite a micro amp, but it's a very small little amp. I've got plans for it. You will find out in the future. But right now I think we should unbox this and see what all it came with. This is a steal of a deal. You get this and an 8-gauge kicker amp kit with a 3-year warranty for $99. Affiliate link in the description below, so definitely want to check it out if you're interested in a small amp. So let's just get straight into it. Let's open this dude up. Let's open up the amp kit. Let's check it all out.
Yeah, I just want to be the greatest.
We're going to do this a live style unboxing, so I'm going to open up the amp kit first, and then we'll get into the amp, and we'll see what all it comes with. Let's open it up. Let's see what's in the wiring kit first, and then we'll open the amp up. I don't often buy brand new amps, so this is a treat for me to open something brand new. I typically buy them refurbished, or I get them used. Got the remote wire here. It's a remote wire. What can you really say about it? I like this speaker wire. It's square on one side, round on the other. That's cool. Then this is all kind of connected together here. Alright, 8-gauge. And if you guys aren't used to kicker wire, this stuff is super flexible. That's one of the best features of it. I mean, it is very flexible. I mean, you just tie it knots and knots and knots, no problem. It's already got a crimped in connection too. That's a nice bonus there. The power run side, you've got heat shrink, and you've got some tech flex or some kind of protect it for under the hood, as well as it's already got the lug heat shrinked on. That's a nice touch. I like that. Okay, so this one does come with the nice fuse here. It comes with the correct fuse, the 60 amp, and I like this little block. It's nice. They've got grommets on both ends. Some basic RCAs. Hyperflex interconnect cable. Pretty nice. I can dig it. Now let's get into the amp here, and we'll see what all comes in that box. Alright, let's get this amp open and see everything inside. I will tell you that one of the good things about buying this amp kit with the amp itself is that you get an extended warranty. So I've actually got a 3-year warranty from this. I'm definitely going to leave a link in the description below. It'll be an affiliate link, and it's Hi-Fi Sound Connection. They are an authorized kicker dealer, so you'll have your full warranty. It's a killer deal at $99 for this amp and the 8-gauge kit. I mean, I don't know how long they're going to run this sale, but definitely check it out if you're in the market for a smaller amp. Let's kind of go around the box and see what we have here. So it's rated 30 watts by 2 at 4 ohms, and then we have 60 watts by 2 at 2 ohms and 125 watts by 1 at 4 ohms mono. This is all rated 14.4 volts. Enough delay. Let's open this baby up. Come out of here. This is a very compact little amp. Okay, so as you can see, this amp is very small, slightly bigger than my hand, and that's exactly why I got it. This will be running a free air sub. It does not need to power a lot, so the 125 watts will be absolutely perfect. Let's go around the amp. It's very simple. Ground remote, 12 volt, left and right channel. On this side you have your inputs, high and low level inputs, so you can cut the RCAs and go high level or low level from your receiver. Gain, crossover, frequency, bass boost. Very simple. I mean, that's all you need. Let's get this dude on the dyno and let's see what kind of numbers it actually puts out. We're starting with the 4 ohm stereo test using the 1 kilohertz track, and we are rated 30 watts by 2. I do have this hooked up to 2 4 ohm loads, so we're looking for that 30 watts. All day we got 40 watts, pulled 10.5 amps at 14.4 volts, making it 52% efficient. Moving on to 4 ohms mono, we're going to use the same 1 kilohertz track, and we're rated 125 watts by 1. Now, you might be wondering yourself, the efficiency is kind of low on that first test. Well, this is a Class AB amp, so we're not going to get that high Class D efficiency. But we did get 136 watts, pulled roughly 20 amps, 14.4 volts, and we're about 47% efficient on this run. Let's run this one more time, 4 ohms mono, but this time let's use the 40 hertz track and see if we get any kind of different result. Almost exactly the same. We got 137 watts. We did pull more amperage, 21.9 amps, and we were about 44% efficient on this run. Alright, it is time to get into these sound demos. The kicker is hooked up to the Sony's 8 ohm stereo, so we're getting around 15-20 watts a side, which is plenty. Let's see what this little guy sounds like. I've got some final thoughts on this amp. I think it's a great value with the kit, man. The 8 gauge kit is awesome, high quality stuff. The amp itself it beat its ratings. It sounded very good. I mean, what more can you ask of a $99 setup? If you had a small sub to push with this, I think it would do perfect. It's only 130, 140 watts, but that's plenty for a small sub depending on what you're doing. If you have some mid-range you want to run or a component set, this thing will do that easily. All in all, I think it's an excellent buy, especially at the $99 price. Even at full retail, in my opinion, it's a good value. So if you want to check it out, check out that affiliate link that I left below. They are an authorized dealer, so that's awesome for you guys. You get a 3-year warranty. This amp was awesome. I appreciate you guys watching, supporting, commenting, doing all that type of stuff. So If you like content like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit the bell, do all that. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this amp. Let me know what you think about kicker amps in general. Do you like them? You dislike them? Let's keep the conversation going. Shout out to all my Patreon supporters, but I want to give a special shout out to the $6 or more members: 2001 Monolithic, The Third Era, G Nava, Joaquin Juarez, Paul Smith, Byron Chambliss, The Karate Guy, Jason Zemer, Travis McClendon, Brandon Hanna, William Berg, Boxboy Audio Sound Solutions, and Jesus Tires. For as little as $2 a month, you can join the team and get exclusive Patreon-only content not available on YouTube. So if you want to help your boy out, check me out at patreon.com/HiFiVega.
I left my heart in San Francisco.